demo of the AI-powered cost of living advisor for Turkey. First, we log into our application. To create a new account, we go to the sign up page. There we fill our username, email address, and password. After creating our account, a form page comes. First, we fill out the location information. We select our current city and district and the city and district that we want to move. After that, we go to personal details form. Here we fill our age, family size, and monthly income. After that, we fill housing expenses form, including monthly rent, electric bill, natural gas bill, water bill, and internet bill of the current house that we live in. Then we get to transportation and education. Here we select if we use public transportation or not. Also, if you are a student or not. After that, if we are interested in finding the education costs of the universities of Turkey, we tick the box and select our specific university and type the department that we are interested in. After that, we fill the other expenses form, including gym membership, entertainment, clothing, healthcare, subscriptions, travel and vacation sections. After that, we select the house type and the room size. If we use a vehicle, we tick the box and fill the form that appears, including vehicle type, fuel tank capacity, monthly fill count, fuel type, and distributor preference. Lastly, we create a shopping list that includes essential grocery items that needs to be bought in a month. After saving the user preferences, we click to view analysis and wait for our report to generate. Our report has been generated in a markdown format to help the user to easily read. At the top right of the page, we can see the preview of the report, and if we want, we can download it into our computer. If we want, we can edit our preferences and create a new report. Here, we change the target city to another one, keep the other preferences same for time constraints, and create our new report based on our new preferences. At the end, we log out, turn back to the login page. That was our demo of the project.